Today I'm going to put a MSI GeForce GTX 1050 Ti into a Dell XPS 8500 chassis, and the video card might not fit, so we're going to find out here in a couple of minutes. It says I need 2 slots for this one to fit in there. So I'll take the second slot out. Well, we'll see if it fits. I'm going to unplug it here. No, wait a minute. No, not yet. Okay, got the old graphics card out of there. This fan was making all kinds of noise. It's the, I forgot what it is. The GeForce 610. And so we'll see if we can get the other one out and put in. Okay, I've got that video card in there, and you can see how tight of a fit it is. If I get, oh, I'm gonna get my tight fit all the way around. Barely got it past the power wires. And it looks all right. Just barely fit in there. Okay, we'll see what happens when I start it up. And the graphics card is a GamingX GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. And here's a video after it's been installed and everything. It's just a Nexar cam, car cam. So I'm gonna get it going here. There we go. It looks pretty good. You can tell by what I'm just recording too. So here it is, me running a stop sign almost. I don't know what that is on the right hand side there. Oh, it's my cars.